Luvlap Comfy Walker. Contents in the box: walker frame, push bar handle, seat pad, 8 wheels, 2 removable side toys, removable toy tray, foot mat, 8 screws, 4 stoppers, and assembly manual. Comfy Walker lets your baby to be comfortable and safe while learning to walk. To assemble, carry out the following steps. Insert and fix the 4 red stoppers in the 4 corners of the walker base with the help of 2 screws each. Attach the 8 wheels into the slots provided in the walker frame base, one after the other. Open the seat frame. Attach the seat pad into the slots provided in the walker frame. Secure it with clicking buttons and check to make sure it is properly secured. Insert the 2 removable toys into the tray side slots and fix those with screws from below. Insert the 2 batteries into removable toy tray. Fix with help of locking knob from below and place it on the walker. Fix the parent handlebar with plastic pot using screws and insert it in the slot behind the walker. Attach footrest pad by clipping it to the frame base. The Comfy Walker is now assembled for your baby. Luvlap Comfy Walker. Make your baby's life's little stories special.